Hi there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm going to show you a lotion that I've been using to moisturize my whole body. This is a 10% Urea repairing lotion by Babe. I use it daily as a body moisturizer and I feel the instant relief from my skin if it's very dry or itchy. I like to apply the lotion on my hands, on my arms, neck, legs, almost my whole body except for my face, and I massage until it completely absorbs. And something that I like about this lotion is that after it dries, your skin is not sticky. It doesn't have like this sticky feeling that I don't like, so that's something that I love. Also, the scent, it has a very light scent, doesn't bother me, and I can spend the whole day smelling it, and it's really good. So if you have very dry skin and you want to feel moisturized, fresh and smooth, I know that your skin will be grateful if you use it. This is a 10% Urea repairing lotion. I love it and I recommend it 100%. That's my point of view.